Hey guys, Michael with Quiet Lawn here. I'm out here doing a tear out and install on a landscape. We're going to add some new beds, add a bunch of plants, add some palm trees, and get this landscape looking good. But I wanted to give you a quick tip for those of you who are new in business. A lot of times when you're out working, that's when you get the most requests for estimates from other people. They stop by, they see you working, they ask you for an estimate. If you are not able to do the estimate right then, I always recommend getting the information from the customer. If you give them a business card, let's say they pull up and say, hey, could I get an estimate to do my lawn? And you give them a business card, there's probably about a 10% chance that they're actually going to call you. They're going to get distracted. They're going to think twice. They're going to lose the card or whatnot. Something's going to happen. But if you get their information, there's 100% chance, if you're good at if you do what you're supposed to do, that you're going to get in touch with them and get them an estimate. So anytime somebody approaches us and they say, hey, do you have a card or could I get an estimate? I say, sure, would you like to get an estimate? Let me just get your information. I'll have the office send you an estimate right over. And then what I'll do is I'll get their name, their address, their phone number, and their email address, and I'll send that to the office. And then the office will send them an estimate, pretty quickly there. But we also have our, this is policy for our employees to do as well, and we incentivize them by offering a $20 commission on any new customer that signs up. So, it's real simple for our employees. All they have to do is get those 4 bits of information, send them to the office, and we will take care of it. So that's a good tip. And if somebody doesn't want to give you, kind of going on the last video I made about the right type of customers, if somebody doesn't want to give you their basic contact information, then they're not serious in the first place. If you say, hey, yeah, let me get your information and I'll get the office to do an estimate for you. If they're like, oh, can you just give me a card? They're not really serious. They're not ready to buy, or they're a tire kicker, or they're just kind of wasting your time. So you can give them a card at that point, but like I said, you probably won't hear from them. But it's a good filter, when you ask that, to get their information. But just thought I'd give that tip. I just had somebody stop by and get ask for an estimate, and that's what I did. And I hope that helps. Have a great day.